So today I will show you how to make chuối đập banana brush. And before we do it, we will need some sesame rice, tapioca spear, tapioca scratch, coconut milk, roast peanuts, and especially, absolutely, banana. And in Vietnam we have a lot of kind of banana, and this is we call chuối sứ. This is the chuối sứ banana. First thing, we will chop tapioca spear in the water in 15 minutes to make it tender and easy to cook. With banana, we will peel it, and then we use a knife to brush it like this. And now, the next step, I will boil the banana. I learned this food from when I come Ben Tre roving. You see here the round color here. When you do this food, you will smell the banana. It's very good. After 15 minutes, and then we will cook the coconut sauces, coconut milk, and it's boiled. We put tapioca spear and cook until it's finished. And then we put some tapioca crushed, some salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, in Ben Tre, I see the cooker will cut it. Let's have two ways to try this food: with cut and without cut. And then roast peanut, some sesame, and it's done. Chuối đập. The country will make it from Ben Tre. And then, thank you for watching my video about Vietnamese food. See you, and I hope you will love it and subscribe my channel to see more about Vietnam. Thank you and see ya!